Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. You are almost certainly mowing zones that don't need it yet and possibly missing zones that do. A fixed schedule does not know about local growth rates. In vegetation management, that mismatch is where money gets wasted and yield gets lost. Calendar-based vegetation management feels simple. Pick a date, dispatch the crew, move on. But simple does not mean efficient. Fixed mowing schedules waste contractor passes on slow-growth zones and miss shading risks in fast-growth areas. That means you're paying to cut areas that don't need attention yet, while problem zones keep growing. Over a season, that creates two costs at the same time: wasted OPEX and avoidable yield losses. The problem is not that crews are doing the work. The problem is that the work is being planned without site-specific evidence. That's where ClearSpot agents change the process. Vision agents analyze aerial imagery to estimate vegetation coverage and height per zone after every flight. Instead of treating the whole site as one mowing unit, the agent looks zone by zone. It identifies where growth is accelerating, where shading risk is approaching, and where access constraints are starting to appear. Then it flags only the zones that need action. That flag becomes a targeted mowing instruction, not a blanket schedule. So instead of sending a contractor across the entire site because the calendar says so, you send them only where the data says there's a real need. This is where the savings become real. In a calendar-based model, you often end up mowing at the wrong time. A zone that grows slowly still gets trimmed, while a zone that grows quickly waits too long. ClearSpot gives you a living picture of the site updated after each flight, so mowing decisions reflect actual conditions. That means fewer unnecessary contractor passes, fewer wasted man-hours, and fewer repeat visits to low-risk areas. And because the agent is tracking the site continuously, you are not depending on memory, habit, or a fixed calendar to tell you when to act. Teams that move from fixed schedules to needs-based mowing reduce contractor passes without increasing shading events. You are not cutting less and hoping for the best. You are cutting smarter. For a large site, that can mean fewer truck rolls, fewer labor hours, less equipment wear, and better use of every maintenance dollar. And on the performance side, it helps you avoid discovering too late that a fast-growth corridor is creating shading losses. Fixed schedules fail because not every site behaves the same way. A dry site and a humid site do not grow at the same rate. A shaded edge zone and an open field do not need attention at the same time. A site near irrigated land will not follow the same vegetation curve as one in a drier region. That is why one-size-fits-all mowing calendars break down when a portfolio gets larger. The more sites you manage, the more variation you have, and the less useful a fixed schedule becomes. ClearSpot turns that variability into actionable, zone-level mowing intelligence. Instead of mowing because it's time, you mow because the site actually needs it. The business case is straightforward. Fewer unnecessary passes reduce contractor spend. Better timing reduces yield loss risk. More targeted work improves labor efficiency. That combination matters because vegetation management has always sat right at the intersection of cost and performance. If you spend too much, margins suffer. If you wait too long, output suffers. ClearSpot helps you keep both sides under control by making mowing decisions based on evidence instead of habit. Like, share and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.